press the what? Hi everyone, welcome back. We're in a bit of an unusual setting. We're currently walking to our local op shop, you know, just see if they're open.
Yeah, so we're basically just going to be doing a thrift shop upcycle.
It's called a thrift flip upcycle video. And we're not very crafty, so you know, hopefully we can learn something and you guys can learn something too. We'll try and make it as educational as possible, you know, if you want to try do what we're doing. Okay, so like we just got to our like op shop thing and it looks like it's closed. Oh, it's closed on Sundays because of their new trading hours. So that's annoying.
Yeah.
That's okay, we'll just have to go to Target. I get that the idea of this is to like get clothes from an op shop, but
Yeah,
can't really do anything, guys. You can clearly see it's closed, so can't really do anything about that.
that's right.
Yeah.
So we are now at Target and we're going to see what we can find. So I found this stripy top in my cupboard and I'm just planning to crop it. I got this black top at the shops and I'm planning to crop it and put an iron-on butterfly on it.
I got this blue top at the shops as well, and I'm planning on turning it into like a tie-up cardigan top. I found the white ace top in my cupboard and I just plan on cropping that, pretty basic, and then the black top I plan on cropping that and making it an open back tie-up singlet. So I'm going to do this one first because I feel like I can't stuff up cropping a t-shirt, right? But I don't know how short I want to do it, so I need to do that and then put like some markings in. I'm aware that it's like a perfectly normal t-shirt, but I just have so many like regular t-shirts, so I thought I could maybe do it up.
Currently just drawing black lines around it, so then whilst I'm cutting I don't accidentally like go off and it's like not straight. And I'm very actually nervous, like I'm shaking. I'm so scared that I'll mess up, like that it'll just like fall apart. Let's do it. It can't.
Okay, so I've decided I'm just gonna like do it a bit lower at first, because like, you know, you can't really just like put the fabric back on.
Oh no.
Hopefully that will do the job, I guess.
I don't know if that I feel like it looks a bit tacky.
Okay, so like I'm finished ruling the line. It's definitely on an angle. But that's okay, we'll just cut it and see what happens.
He's ready for the reveal. I think I cut it a bit too short. What do you think?
I mean, it's nice. I just like put your arms up. Go. Oh no, I like it. I actually really like it.
I feel like I need like...
How'd you get a straight line? Guys, so here it is on. I am so lucky I didn't cut it. I had like another line marked up here. So I'm so lucky I cut it on this line. Because like if I hadn't cut it any shorter, it would have been way too short. Have a look. Do you like it?
That's so nice. I love it. So this time I'm going to be cropping and cutting the sleeves and putting one of these little cute like iron-on butterflies, which I found the bottom bit of my top.
Yeah.
It's so badly cut there.
I mean, guys, if you're like if you have a tight top, then you can like double turn it into a boob tube. I mean, I'm not gonna wear this because it's cut so badly, but I mean, if you want to do that, extra DIY for you. Cut your top in half, and you got two tops. You know, if you like that top so much, you love the pattern. Two for the price of what? You can't even see that drawing. Oh my gosh. Okay, so time for the upcycle number 2. This hack I saw on like our trusty friend TikTok. Like, yeah, you crop it, and then you open up the back and you have like a tie up back. If you're planning on doing the singlet one, it's best if you do like a more baggy t-shirt and like, or a baggy tank top, because then you like have stuff to tie it with. If it's already tight to begin with, you're not gonna have like a lot of excess fabric to tie it, especially if it's not a stretchy fabric. So I got mine a little bit bigger, but otherwise, yeah, because you can always make it tighter, you can't really make it looser. I'm worried because I'm not going to be able to draw on this black top very well, so I hope I don't stuff it up because it's going to be sad.
I keep trying to like draw on the sleeves with like this white pencil and this grey lip, but it's actually not working.
Once again, you just need to draw like a line straight across, like of half the t-shirt, just to the desired crop length. So I got a little line, and then I'm just going to use this hook to draw a line all the way across.
I plan to use this sticky tape to like mark where I want it.
I feel like Sophie's going to be rushing this, and like her top's going to be really like unstraight.
Meanwhile,
Cut it a bit too short.
So I have like my line drawn. It's like pretty uneven, but like I like honestly just gave up. So basically what you do is like you only cut the front half of the top, not the back. So you just cut the front piece. So first you go up the seam as close as you can to the seam without like actually breaking the seam of the shirt, if that makes sense. And then you cut along the line, then you cut down the seam on the other side. So you've just got the whole like front square off, and you'll still have like the back there.
It's a perfect length. It's perfect. I love it. So now all that is left is to put one of these little butterflies on. And also you guys might be wondering why I didn't just buy a black short sleeve and I bought a black long sleeve and cut it into a short sleeve. That was because of two reasons. One of them is because long sleeves are tighter, and I wanted this to be a tighter top. And also too, because this challenge is about trying new things, and I've never cut arms off a long sleeve top.
I finished cutting it, and the whole front piece is off now. So as you can see, it's just like cropped at the front. It's like I accidentally cut off like my hair whilst I was like cutting the shirt.
The iron up. I've actually never done this before, so I'm just going off the instructions of what it says, and hopefully it goes well. There. Now I have to put it inside out.
One thing that I've realised, if you're doing this, you just gotta like go for it. Like I was like stuffing around, like drawing lines forever.
Oh my gosh.
Line from all the way. Straight line, straight down the back of the top, from the top to the bottom. So yeah.
I'm so happy. Look. This is so nice. I'm gonna wear this so much. I love it.
Okay, so this is the result of the top. It is super cute. I am like obsessed with it. I love it so much. Like it's just really cute and basic, but like it would look really nice with some jeans. If like even if you're going out the back, is like what does the top. Obviously, like you'd have to wear, I don't know what you would actually wear that you wouldn't be able to see underneath it. You'd probably just not wear anything. I don't know, but I reckon super cute way to do up like an old singlet or a top. Don't know where to start with this blue top because I need to make it like a cardigan jacket thing, so like cut it down the middle, and then I also need to cut sleeves on it, so I don't know where to start.
So it's really nice. Absolutely love it. And yeah.
Okay, so I'm just gonna cut the sleeve and just hope that it turns out okay. I literally haven't even like tried to measure this. Oh wow. So now I'm just gonna repeat it on the other side. So I originally picked out a green top, but then I saw this one and I was like, I think the blue's cute. So I'm just gonna crop like the front and the back. Okay, I'm nearly done. I think that should be good. Oh, I think it's too short. Okay, no turning back. I'm just gonna cut a line straight down the front of the top. Just straight down it. But only on the front side, so then it like opens up, if that makes sense. Okay, so I have it on, as you can see, but so I'm just gonna put the ties like there, so then it obviously covers myself. And then I want to change the neckline, or maybe try iron it or something so it's like a collar. Okay, so I wasn't exactly sure like how to make the strings for the top, and I looked up a couple of like videos and stuff. You cut the leftover bit of the top into strips. Okay, so I just folded over the top like multiple times, and I'm just gonna cut two things, two strips, I guess. Oh, this is really hard at the end because I'm like getting through the seams. Okay, there we go. I have my 2 strands now. I just tried my top on, and I marked out on the top just where I want the strings to go, about the middle. If you want to add extra strings, you can do that too, and also if you like want to make these thinner or thicker, or even you can like glue them over to make them, yeah, like thicker. I'm just going to put them on like this because I don't think it's going to make that much of a difference. And I guess you could sew them on too, but yeah, I'm just going to glue them on. So yeah, now I'm just going to apply the glue. Okay, so we just had a glue accident, but I'm just going to glue it on. Hopefully it stays. Our glue takes 30 minutes to dry, it's just a fabric glue, but just follow the instructions obviously on your glue. Maybe like don't do glue at home because like there was a hole in it and it just got stuck on everything, and it's really annoying, this glue.
This is even brand new.
So I'm just measuring how far that is. This is so bad. It's like so messy. So messy. Hey guys, I forgot to film this part, but this is the final product of the top. Obviously there is a glue stain. Hopefully it will come out in the wash. I haven't washed it just yet. So yeah. Becoming a bit of a trend, we just like don't film outros. We both just go off and film and then we're like, oh, we're done now. So this is our outro. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed.
We really appreciate all your support, and if you want to see more of our videos, make sure to subscribe.
Obviously.
Yeah. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.